That's heavy. And that's how you put a boat on a trailer, but not really. Howdy, welcome to 2022. Big apologies for not posting for a few months. It's been a combination of things. I've been really busy with work, and then I also just struggle to get back into the swing of things, struggle to be posting and working on boats in my spare time and all that sort of stuff. So we're a month into 2022 and we're gonna get into some boats, get into some good content. Haven't got any trips planned because I've just been working for so long, but we'll book some in. As you can see, we have a new boat here, a new old boat. This one's going to be a little project, probably going to keep this one for a little while, and I'll show you around it. The other boat that we were working on last year, it's still sitting there. I've just got to paint some bits and pieces on it, and then I can take it out for a test run and hopefully get it sold, which I'm hoping the money for that I can put towards getting this running, so we can plan some trips and have some fun. So welcome to 2022, and let's get some good things going. Hopefully that gives you a bit of an insight into what the condition of the boat is currently. I'm not going to go too crazy with this. I was thinking about, stripping it back and doing a full repaint like we've done with the other one, but I think I've polished one little section and I don't love the colour, but it's a lot of effort to paint a boat, and given that the condition of this one is pretty good, I think I'm just gonna polish it, maybe give it a light wet sand in some areas that it needs it. I could touch up any of the white sort of stuff like this, but overall it's in really good condition, and I just want to get out and use it, to be honest. So it's a unknown year model. I think it'd be like an 80s or 90s model. It's a Pride Capella, so it's a 4.3 meter or about a 14 foot. It's got the 3-cylinder 70 horsepower Johnson on the back, which I've heard is a pretty good motor. They apparently run pretty smooth once you get them going. That was running from what I know, so I've just got to hook up a battery. I think the electric trim is just having some issues, so I might have to have a look at that. But at the same time, I may just drop this off to the shop and say just get the engine running and I'll look after the aesthetic stuff. But it should be a good mix between like a little fishing boat and a ski boat, so I can take the kids tubing and that sort of thing. But yeah, we'll tidy this one up. We'll probably hang on to it for a little bit. Long term, I'd love to get like a 16 foot, maybe like a Haynes Hunter or something like that. I think that would just be a good medium for someone like me who has to tow the boat places to go fishing and skiing and stuff. But I still want a boat that's big enough, if I want to go out in the ocean, go do a little bit of deep sea fishing or spear fishing or something like that. So, but for now, this one will do well for us. I'll give you a quick look at the other boat. It's looking pretty sad at the moment. It's full of water because it sits out in the rain. So I'll give you a quick look at it. The paint, like as expected, held up perfectly fine while it was sitting on the grass, and it's just, I've got a trailer for it now, which is good. So in the coming months there'll be a package of the boat, the 15 horsepower motor and the trailer. But other than that, hopefully before the end of summer we'll have this one on the water, ready to go and get some good fishing footage. Well, once again, really sorry that it's been a while since I uploaded. I've just been flat out with work, doing heaps of hours, but I'm really hoping to get out on the water soon. Apologies that there wasn't much happening in this video, but it's just been raining heaps as well, so I haven't really been able to finish the final paint job on the other boat. And I've got to get some other gear like a battery and stuff for the new boat before I can start trying to get the motor running. But yeah, over the next couple months, hopefully you'll see it out on the water. We'll get out and go and do some fishing and hopefully get this channel moving once again. We'll catch you in the next one, which hopefully won't be too far away.